Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to sync your mobile phone CapCut account into your personal computer and how the way to move the project. So you just need to open the CapCut application and you just need to wait until it's perfectly open. And whenever it's open, now you just need to open this section, which is the menu, to visit the profile and make sure that you already remember the username as well as the passcode or password for this account. And whenever you got them, you just need to back into the edit and you just need to pick which documents that you want to sync or you want to upload into your account. So let's say here I would like to upload this, so you just need to go click these three small dots and go click upload to space, and you just need to pick the folder. You can also create a new one, but then if you already got the folder, you just need to go click them and click upload, and you just need to pick up as a new draft, and you just need to control the process by go click the space here, and you're done. So you just need to wait until the media is 100% fully uploaded into your space. So that is the way, guys, how to sync your data from the mobile CapCut to the PC. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will let to see you for the next tutorial.